Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Experian membership. We will go through two methods. Method 1, canceling a Credit Expert subscription. Log into your Experian account, go to this link www.experian.co.uk and click the blue login button. As you can see in the screenshot, at the top right corner, you will see a login button. Then enter your credentials. You will be taken to your personal homepage with your account information. Select My Subscription to view the paid subscription you have through the Experian account. Choose the subscription you want to cancel and click on Cancel button. Here is a short tip for you. Your service typically won't cancel until the next billing date. This means you will still have access to all the features you subscribed to up until that day. However, if you cancel after a billing date and haven't paid, you may owe for the balance of the time before you cancelled. Now, second, try the cancellation chatbot if you want a different experience. As of December 2019, Experian is beta testing an automated cancellation process that will guide you through canceling your Credit Expert subscription. This service is only available for credit experts. So if you have additional subscriptions, you will have to cancel them through the online account. In this screenshot, you can see a live chat option is available here. Click on it to experience a chatbot. Call Experian directly to cancel during the cooling off period. After you subscribe to Credit Expert, you are legally entitled to a 14-day cooling off period. If you want to cancel at any time during that period, you can get a refund for any unused services. However, you must call 080056100083. To do this, lines are opened Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. This number is free to call from all UK landlines and mobiles. Save this number if you need. Now head to the method 2. Closing your membership in the US. First, identify the service you have. Experian offers several branded services to US customers, including Triple Advantage, Experian Credit Tracker, and Protect My ID. Each of these services has its own method of cancellation. If you have multiple subscriptions, you may have to repeat the process to cancel each one. You likely won't be able to cancel all of them at once. Here you can see a multiple subscription has made in this account and he need to cancel the subscription one by one. Now, second, call the appropriate number for your service. Unfortunately, if you have an Experian subscription in the US, you can't cancel it online. Rather, you have to call Experian directly using the customer service number for their service. If you have Triple Advantage or Experian Credit Tracker, call 1-877-284-7942. If you have Protect My ID, call 1-866-960-6943. You can save this number to your phone book if you are an US citizen. Now, third, provide personal information through the phone. When you call the automated line, you will first be directed to press 1 if you are a customer. If you follow these instructions, you will have to enter your name, social security number, home address, and birth date. If you don't feel comfortable entering this information over the phone, you can end the call. However, you won't be able to connect to a live operator and cancel your subscription unless you enter this information. Even after you enter your information, you may still have to wait a while before being connected with a live operator. For better results, call on weekdays during regular business hours. Now, to the step 4, bypass the consumer line if you have trouble connecting to a live person. You will still call 1-877-284-7942. However, you will press 2 rather than pressing 1 on the first automated menu, identifying yourself as a business or client rather than a consumer. Now, once you are connected, identify yourself and tell the operator that you want to cancel your subscription instead that they complete the process for you. If you are going to use the business line, call between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. In the fifth step, tell the representative that you want to cancel your membership. Once you get a live operator to the line, you may have to be insist to get them to cancel your membership. They will likely try to convince you that you want to keep the service. Do not give them reasons or chit chat with them. Simply tell them that you want to cancel your subscription. That's the all process to cancel Experience membership. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. We will meet you again with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.